Sir.
You're welcome. So I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tonight we want to look at data modeling. Data modeling. What is a model? Creating a relationship, a model relationship between your data. Now, look at my screen properly. Look at on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, there are 3 buttons there. Forget about the fourth one. The first one is report view. Middle one is table view and model view. Remember, look at your Power BI screen. I've explained this screen for you like it's like your Windows screen all through. Your Windows or Excel screen. It's only that when you are picking your menu, your ribbon and everything you are seeing on the screen will be responding to whichever menu you are. Okay? To be responding to it. So, as your Power BI is, this is your Power BI desktop. On the right-hand side, you see on the left-hand side, you have your report view, table view, model view. The big place you are looking at here is your canvas. That is where you every design that you want to do in Power BI, you do it through where you see build visuals with your data, where it's written. That's where you carry out every functionality you want to carry out in Power BI. You call it canvas. Canvas. Next to it is your filter. Filter is used to group your information. Next to it is your visualization. These are the tools that you use to design your report. The first tool here is your stack bar chart. You have your star column chart. You have your cluster bar chart. You have your cluster column chart. You have your 100% stack bar chart. You have your 100% stack column chart. You have your line chart, area chart, stack area chart, stack area chart, 100% stack area chart. You have your line and stacked columns chart together, line and stack combined together. You have your line and cluster column chart. You have your ribbon charts. You have your waterfall, funnel. You have your scatter chart. You have your pie chart. You have your donut chart. You have your tree map chart. You have your map. You have your field map. You have your shape. You have your geo map. You have your gauge. Then you have your card. You have your material card. You have KPI. You have slicer. This is a table. This is matrix. You have R script visual, Python visual, key influencers, the composition tree, key and answer, Q&A, narrative, matrix, paginated report, card view, slicer new. This is card, a new card, a new slicer, and ArcGIS map. Then you have your Power Apps for Power BI, and you have your Power Automate for Power BI. These are the basic tools that you will use to design your report, your visualization. As time goes on, when you get to advanced stage, you will learn more that you can get more tools outside this place. Okay? So every design we want to do on the canvas will come from visualization. Whatever you put on this your canvas, you can format it and you see your format, your report page, that's on each item. And I want to tell you, on your canvas, you deal with object one by one object at a time. And the next thing is your data pane, where you list all the data you've imported. Let me draw your attention to something. I told you there are three major ways of bringing your data to Power BI. You have your import, you have your direct query, and you have your drawer. When you import your data, you cut it off from your database. Every information we have here, we don't need to bother our SQL and test CSV file. It's on this place. When you do direct query, you connect directly to the source. So when there is any change in the source, it updates it. And drawer, you combine them together. So that is the screen you want to work with that I described to you. Any question for me?
Let's go ahead.
Okay. Now, let's come to this. Click on your model view. On the left-hand side, the third button, model view. Click on it. What do you see in your own? When your other panes like property and data is disturbing you, there is always an arrow pointing to the right. Click on the arrow to collapse it. Look at your data, click on the arrow to collapse it. Good. Look inside your data model, model view. You will see that you list all your tables, but some will be hidden. There is a horizontal bar below. Point to the horizontal bar and scroll to the right. Can you see it? Let me come to report view. Look at your data pane. As many number of tables that you have here. If you have 100 tables here, then in your model view, you will have 100 tables like this, 100. But here we just have 7. So the 7 tables you are looking at here, these 7 tables, is what you are seeing like an object in your design environment. Am I communicating?
That's very well.
Good. Now, hold down your control key. If you are using a mouse that you can roll, reduce the size of this so that I can bring all the table to screen at the same time like this. These are all the tables there. Have you done that?
Sorry, you should hold down the control key.
I just wanted to bring all the tables
Reduce the
to a
size.
view like this. Hold down your control key, roll your mouse so that you can reduce the size or increase it so that you can. But all I want is, I want to see all your tables like this. Quick one, I want to rearrange this table in such a way that it's going to be on my page. I will put my sales table into the middle. I will put my product to the right. I'll put my reseller to the right here. I will put my region below here. And I will put salesperson region. No, salesperson. I will drag it here. So let me take this guy up. And these alignments.
I'm sorry, sir. The view in my own is different.
What makes it different? Tell me.
I'm having the boxes just like yours, but then some other boxes are connected like a flow.
There shouldn't be connection if you follow around, but share your screen. Let me see it. You shouldn't have any connections there, but no problem. Let me just share your screen. Let me see.
Okay, sir. This is what I have.
Okay. I noticed that your screen has double click on where am I? Where's my okay? There is manage relationship. Double click on it. Manage relationship. Click on it.
Okay.
Somewhere, somehow, somebody is doing something in your system and I don't want to waste my time. Click on delete.
Okay.
Click on delete. Okay. Before remove all of them.
All selected. I don't know where it is.
I expect to do it together, but no problem.
Mm.
So click close. So rearrange your
Okay.
screen now. Rearrange your screen now.
Okay. 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 I'll just do it the way you are doing. I'll just look at what you're doing.
Finish before you escape now. Finish in my presence. Don't waste time.
I didn't get the way you were arranging your own. That's what I wanted to see.
Space in the middle. Drag says, yeah, you are correct. Put product is right. Says, oh, no. I say you are correct. Put it on the, okay, stop sharing. Let me show you my screen now. Stop sharing.
Okay.
So I don't waste my time. So you can see my screen. Follow my own arrange. Reseller here. Product, sales, region, salesperson. The salesperson table, salesperson region, and target. So let it be like this. Are we together? Have you arranged your own screen properly?
Not yet. We're still doing it.
Let's be fast. We don't have the luxury of time, please. Are you true? Are you true?
For me, I am.
Are you true?
Yes,
From
sir.
my end, I am.
Okay. So let's move on. Now, this is the way your tables are without relationship. This is bachelors and spinsters, no relationship. But they are all you are seeing on this screen is the bachelor and spinsters that are eyeing themselves in. They can, here they are meeting on Data BI platform. They can meet either in the malls, in the church, in the mall, anywhere. Spinsters, no relationship. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear.
Okay, let's do something. Now we want to begin. Go to your report view. This one. For you to see all the field of your data on the data pane, right-click an empty place and say expand all. So to bring all the data for you there. These are all the fields, the column names or the attributes of your information. But click anywhere on the column and right-click and
Can you come in?
collapse. Come again.
Yes, I'm lost from from the add data fields.
Which one?
Like, can you just come again?
Oh, okay. I'm saying that we were here. I show you all this data, all these tables. and
Yes.
arrange it this way. And I say go to your report view.
Yes.
Okay. We are preparing to start designing your report. And we'll make use of field items under the data pane here, the tables we created. That's what we'll be using. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, I want to put a report view. If you come to your data pane and tick any field to your report view, it's going to insert your table automatically. This is going to insert your table. Let's do what I'm saying. Go to your product. Go to your products. Expand your product. Now, under your product, I have a background color, category color, font color, product key, color cost, subcategory. That's all I see there. But
Yeah.
check on category here. Check category. Okay. So when you do that, it's automatically insert an object in your canvas area.
Hmm.
Look at your canvas area now, you will see an object there.
Yes.
And that's a table object. Point to this object, drag down to give space to drag so that you give the edges space. Hold on. Point to anywhere and drag. That means so you design your object to be like this. Good. And look at on top of the object, I have some buttons there. You will be learning what to use for. Expand these objects. Okay. You can see your category under category, but this thing is very tiny. So select this object, come to your visualization. This. Okay. And the first thing you are going to manipulate here is column header. Expand your column header. I want to drop a message for you here. Every organization has a standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure of an organization will define the fonts they want to use, the size of the font, and some other basic information of that organization. So that when you are working, you don't generate anything on your own. You recall back to your business analyst and the management for whatever. Okay? So now they will have document the font size to be used in all your documents. Okay? For me, then they also have documented that they want to use a particular font type. Here I assume they pick Time Roman there. Times New Roman. You change the Time Romans, then Time New Romans, then you change the font size to 20 because it's heading. And you press enter. So you can see that I change the category to change to big now. Then collapse your column header. Then so having done that, you only change the font and size of category. What of your column headers? Okay, no, you don't column headers. You want to look at so How many of you want to look at after you look at a formula like this, it's equal to 20, then values, we come to values. So font size of values. Okay, now change the font size to Times Romans. Change the font size of this into 15. Press enter. You will see that the accessory value has changed. Okay. They have accessory, but it's still not big enough for me for our class. Let's make it 18. So the size is there now. Pull out of values. Then come back to the report view. Okay. Now, the next thing you are going to do, add the sales from sales field here, has sales. Okay, sales. So pull out the product on sales, expand it. Now, make sure the object is selected. Click on sales there. And it has added it to your screen for you. Okay. Okay. I hope it's not too tiny for you. Hello, class.
No, it's not.
Okay.
No, it's not tiny.
Okay, no problem. Now, on this your sales, when you drag any entity onto your canvas area, Power BI is assuming that you want to sum every information together. That is the assumption. Assumption might be true, but the label under the sum of things, I want only sales to be my label. So come under your columns, look at. Hello, are you with me?
Yes, I just.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So under this column, some of sales that double click on it and change the name to sales. It just says, not sums. So your heading is sales. I hope you are doing your own. No? But look at your screen very well. Look at category and sales. What do you observe? What did you observe on that screen? Any question, any response to me?
I think the amount for everything is the same thing, even the total.
Would that be correct in your imagination? Is that correct?
Doesn't appear it.
Do you know why there is? Do you know why it's just doing that? Let's go back to our model view. There is no relationship between the sales table and your the sales table and the categories under products. There is no relationship between your product table and sales. That is why you have everybody stand on his own. There's no relationship in between them. Okay, good. So now we want to relate your product and sales together and see what comes out of it. So look on top of, come to your model view. Once less than a minute, I just want to eat myself in the joint. I'll join you. Okay, I'm back. Now, for you to create a relationship, for you to model your table, click on Manage Relationship. Are you with me? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. If you look at your model view, look at your home, you will see Manage Relationship here. Click on it. Click on New Relationship. So it's bringing this button for us. I want to form a relationship from product table under your from product table.
The dialog box my own opened is looking different.
How does it look like?
Like the mark, the icon in the middle of your own is not present in mine.
It's because some of your Power BI has not been upgraded. Let me see your screen.
Okay, so
Show me your screen. Yes, nice. Cancel this. Let me see. Cancel this that. It's because your own Power BI has not been upgraded. Expand your Power BI, let it occupy your screen.
okay. Okay, this has to close. All right.
Hold down your control key and roll up your mouse so that this looks bigger a bit.
Okay.
It's too tiny. Yeah. It's a paradise. Just increase it minimum so that you can see it. Increase, it's still small.
I'm
Calm down
using
now.
a laptop, so I don't know why it's
Okay.
running freewheel.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. So now click on Manage Relationship.
All right. Yeah.
So don't worry, from table, there's a drop down arrow there. No, there's no, okay. He's saying there's no relationship, right? Click on new, there's new below. When you upgrade your own Power BI, it's going to change it. So click on new, have you done that?
Yeah.
So on top, okay, the top is the from. Click drop down arrow there.
Yeah.
Click your products. The second button below is the second table. You want to relate with sales. Stop sharing and hold on there. Stop sharing and hold on. I didn't say close though.
Yes, sir.
To the whole class, if you are following what I'm explaining, manage relationship, Whichever way there's a new button somewhere there, click on new. You want to create a relationship. It's just being explicit now. From which table? The top one is always the from. From product table to which table? To sales table. And you have this. Power BI will automatically detect the common key between the tables. There must be a common information before you can create a relationship within your tables. And you can only permit me to bug you here. Power BI is a monogamy family. It doesn't believe in one man to many wives. Sorry for my Muslim sister. It doesn't allow our brothers to marry more than one wife. That is, you can only relate two tables together at the same time. That's what I'm trying to picture for you. And there must be always agreement between the two of them. And what makes agreement, there must always be a primary key that link them together. So when you are designing your table, you are designing it with the mindset that there must be a link key. So product key in product table and product key in sales table is the common key that link product and sales together. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, below it, there is cardinality. Cardinality is talking about one table can filter the others. That is, when I pick a line item in products, I can have as many line items of that same product in sales. Can anybody interpret that into me if you understand me? How do you put it in a layman explanation? I can't hear you.
That one line can have more connections another table.
Yes. Thank you. It's simply that you are saying in this relationship, I will filter from product to sales. When you get to supermarkets, you want to buy something in the mall, you pick many items. But by the time they are at the pain point when they are entering it, it's just giving you one line order with many items on the order. That's one-to-many relationship. That's what this cardinality is saying, one-to-many. Okay? Now it's saying that every product you pick, you might likely have many in the product table. Okay? When you are through with that, there is a button below here. Make this relationship active. Look at cross. When you say make this relationship active, hold that thing. I will come back and explain further. But there is something that we'll talk about, make this relationship active. Then cross filter, meaning that when you are dissecting your facts, you dissect up to the whole table. And when you are now filtering, you are saying create a cardinality between one-to-many to single. That is entity. You know, I'm saying that when I pick one product, I can have many C's, but the cross filter is, I will explain it further later. So when you are through with this, click save. Okay, it comes to this place, you see your sales, you see your product, and see a relationship here. The aesthetic is telling me that many sales can belong to one product, one production. Okay, so now you have a relationship between your sales and products. Let's click close. So you have a relationship between product and sales. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So having done this, let's go back to our report view. Click on report view. Come again. So now they've done this, then go back to our quarter itself. So now let's click on report view. What did you observe?
The amount of sales changed accordingly.
What do you think makes it? What do you think make it happen?
Because
the
of the
table are now
relationship established.
relationship, yeah.
Because of the relationship we have here. That is why the value there changes. This relationship is for you to be able to group your information. Okay? And the grouping of assets is telling me that this is sales of accessory, this is sales of buys, clothing, components, and these are sales for the whole of the calendar year we are observing. That is how to form a relationship between tables. Any question?
Okay.
Any question? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, having done that, and I've explained what cardinality is all about, okay? So in manage relationship window, notice that okay, I've explained that to you. Let me move on. So you can see finally there is relationship between product and sales. Now I want to create a new relationship. I want to relate the seller table to sales. I want to link the seller table to sales. Okay, come to your model view. Okay, now I can at the same time say, look at the seller key here. So click on it, drag it, and bring it to sales. Let's see what happens to sales. So it could be done when you are dragging and dropping to add the seller key. It's not as easy as that. So that is why I recommend manage relationship all the time. Click on new. Then manage from the seller table and sales table. And yeah. So now that you bring up your new relationship, select your seller, then to table, select your sales. Okay. Now, cardinality. They are saying relate from reseller. One item there can be many of sales, right? So make this relationship active. Click in one single direction. So click save. Okay, so I've gotten two relationship here. Click close. So you can now see that there is a relationship between table and okay. So this line is what dictates the relationship you have with your system. Now, let's go back. We want to have a relationship with okay. Now I want to create a relationship between region and salesperson and sales. So this time around, launch your new group. Come again. So now I want to go to new manage relationship. Click on it. Okay, so your region table, where's my manage home model? So let's quickly do the second one, new relationship, salesperson from salesperson table. Then to table. This is region with necessary key. Region, click on region here and click on sales. Relate your region and sales. Okay. So it's already picking a default key or sales territory key that is common between them, and it's one-to-many relationship. Click save. So no sales. Hold on, there's a mix up here. I need to correct it.
Okay.
I've gotten sales and products, sales and reseller key. That's not correct. But I have sales. I think something is missing. Let me take this guy out. Say delete. So we've done for product, okay, reseller and reseller key. So now your region, click on new relationship, region, select your region, create relationship with sales table, one-to-many, and then click save. The next one is your salesperson sales. So new relationship from salesperson to So now we want to pick your salesperson. How come? Why is salesperson in my table? Sorry, I think I did wrongly. Here I'm supposed to have yes, salesperson, correct? Salesperson is already selected. Here it says,
For sales, yes.
yeah, sorry, says. So that one to many relationship there too. Single direction, this time around save. So you can save all the relationship for you, click close. Can you see that all these tables have been connected except target and salesperson region?
Salesperson region.
Any question?
Yes, I have a question. The the side, the lines are connecting from. Does it matter?
I'm not getting you.
So the way the relationships are being shown, those lines connecting them, the way
Yeah.
it's done, does it matter, or just the arrows on the lines that is what matters?
What are you saying that it doesn't matter? I'm trying to get you, sorry.
The lines that is showing the relationships.
Yeah, these
Because what
lines.
you have, yes, the way your own lines are different from the way my own lines are.
Yes, the line must be there. That is what indicates there's a relationship between the two of them.
Yeah, I'm saying the lines are there, but I said the way the lines are showing, does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter. You can only arrange in a way that is easier for your eye catching and cool. That's all. It doesn't matter.
Is there a way to rearrange the lines?
You can rearrange the way of your choice. The one I did is of my choice. You are not bounded by any rule.
Okay, can you show us the way to rearrange it? Because the way my own is showing, I don't really like it. I would have loved it if my own is like yours.
Yes. Oh, no. Sorry, I'm not getting that.
The way my own lines are is
Yeah.
different from the way your own lines are showing.
Show me
I
your
said,
screen.
is there a way to show?
Show me your screen.
Okay, so this is the way mine is different from the way your own is. So I'm asking the lines, is there a way to rearrange them? So
You are okay where you are. That's the way I arrange. Only that one might be bigger than the other, but the picture of the picture of information we want is there. That's all. I want a reseller, I want a product, I want a salesperson and region to be around the sales. In my discussion with, okay, do you understand me now? It can be arranged anyhow, there's no problem. You are okay, what you are doing is good. Okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay,
Are you
fine.
okay now? Wow. Wow, my data. Okay, it's back. So stop sharing now so that we can move on. Sorry, my network somehow fluctuates. Sorry. I don't know the challenge tonight. My network is almost frustrating me. So can you see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, you can see it.
Okay. Good. After creating your relationship on the table now, so now we've configured we've show you that there must be relationship before you can design your table. Now we want to take a step further. Go back to model view, collapse your property, expand your data pane. We want to begin to prepare your table for analysis. And some of the things you are doing in preparing your table. One, supposing in the product table, I have 1,500 entities. How do you think it's going to display it? You want to analyze your table. You saw all the feeds there, all the feeds. Okay, so you now want to create groups. You want to create hierarchy for you want to create an hierarchy for accessing your information. Okay, for grouping your information. So what you simply do is that to configure your tables, these are what you will do. First step is I want to create an hierarchy. I want to group information based on hierarchy. So from product table, okay, I want to create an hierarchy called products. And what are the things that will be there? I want to group based on category, subcategory, and products. So I will come to category. The first one that will be on top, I'll come to category, I right click on it. I will say create hierarchy. So now when you have
Can you come again, sir?
Okay. Let me take this like this. Let me paraphrase like this. When you look at your room, you want to make your room neater, right?
Yes.
You put your shirt, probably you have a wardrobe, you have a portion for your suit, a portion for your shirt, a portion for your kaftan or native dress. Then you go to your shoe rack, you have a portion for shoe, portion for trekkers, portion for the canvas you use to go and do your exercise.
Yes.
You go to your bed, you arrange, then you look at your the makeup corner. You have, as a man, our makeup is not too heavy. You have your clipper, you want to barb yourself at the right time. You have powder, you have accessories that make it work. What are you trying to do? You want to make your environment neat. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the same thing in your modeling. You look at your tables, it has many tables. You want to create a rearrange your table in such a way that it will be easier for you to analyze. One of the things you do when you are doing this is to create an hierarchy. Hierarchy is to group your information in order. In Excel, you use your pivot to do hierarchy, but here you control it yourself. Okay, so you have to calm down. Let me continue. Then you appreciate what I'm doing. So
Yes.
here I want to create an hierarchy in my product column. So I want to create it on category. I will right click on category and say create hierarchy. Oh, one is already there. Let me delete it so that. Yeah, I drop it. Don't worry. Right click on category.
Yes.
And say create hierarchy. So it's bringing up a dialog box. And look at your property here. Under property, see the name.
Yes.
This name under this property, when you want to do your micromanage your tables and co, here you come to Power Query, and Power Query give you right to have access to this. Then when you now right click and create hierarchy as you have here, the property is showing 3 items. Okay, that it will happen later, don't worry. So this name, delete it and call this name products. So replace that text with products. Can you see on your table there, you see products there?
Yes.
Now, what the hierarchy, you come below the properties. Okay, you see category. Now you say you want to rearrange. You want to group information in category, subcategory, and product. So you ask the 2 levels to read. So click the drop down arrow here and select. Sorry. So you pick your subcategory to join your hierarchy. You go up again, select a column, you add your level. You now add your products. Okay? These are the 3 items. I want to group my information category, subcategory, products. Apply level changes. So it has created hierarchy for you. Come to the product.
Sorry, how did you add that product? So, how did you add that product?
Okay, let me take it again. So drop your tool now, right click on product and delete from model. Let's take it again.
Yes.
I want to create a hierarchy category, right click category. Then I can now click on create. So it's creating a category hierarchy. And I told you there are 4 parts of this in general. Others are yet to be displayed.
Yes.
In this first part, there is a name there. Inside the each one we have inside the name and write products is most of the time it's going to carry the name of the table and put hierarchy in front of that. That's why you see calling it category hierarchy. But I want it to be products. Products. This press enter. So you created your hierarchy, but unfortunately the hierarchy is just with one field category. You want to add the other two to it or many more, depends on your choice. You will come below your property, you see hierarchy there. Can you see it?
Yes.
Click the drop down arrow here and click the second thing that I want to put on the hierarchy. Okay, so now I want to add other two columns for it. So I want to add a senior, I want to add it in subcategory and product. So now you now carry under this hierarchy. You select the column to add to level. So you now select after the category, you select other ones that will be there. Click the arrow down here.
Yeah.
Then shows the color that you want to pick yourself. Font color format, font color product. So pick your subcategory here. Okay. Now the next one is your product. Click on the drop down arrow here and select products. Okay. You can see that the three of them in relationship is in hierarchy is there. Click on apply level changes.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Good. So that's about that. So the next thing is so now okay. To come to your data model under your products, look at your products, expand it, you will see all the categories you selected. So you've already made provision for grouping now. Let me quickly demonstrate the way this thing works. Let me go to your report view. Let me drag this one out. So you see the product and the hierarchy you have. Now I want to see what is this. Okay. Now I want to choose the metrics that I used the other time. Much more, just to demonstrate. So click on select everything and click on yes. Yes. Okay. So
Can you go back again?
No, this is where I'm coming from.
Okay.
I just come to report view.
Yes.
I'm saying I want to demonstrate the hierarchy I click to product.
Okay.
Look at your pause here. Okay. You can click on matrix like that. So it's bringing it to my table. So your object has been dropped on the screen. Okay. Now, I want to draw hierarchy. Okay. So let's say you check your products. Okay. Come to your no. So click on your matrix.
So what did you select before the matrix?
Nothing. Let me start again. This is your screen. Just click on an empty area. Then
Okay.
click on your matrix button. So it's going to insert it on your screen.
Oh, okay.
That's all. So you now go to your products. You check it. So that it's going to add it to your accessory. Then go ahead and add sales so that you appreciate what you are doing. So it has your sum of sales. So now for you to see properly, quickly go to your column header. So change the font.
Matrix is not
Then
up on my own.
on your own, okay. Maybe you are not on. Oh yeah, let me stop sharing. Share your screen.
Mm. Sorry, give me a minute.
Okay.
So the second this thing we selected is sales under sales, right?
Yes, I've
Okay.
not. Yeah. But I'm waiting.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to join on the system I'm using.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, I'm in. Yes, I'm in now.
I can't see your screen now. Share your screen now.
Can you see it now?
Your Zoom has timeout.
No, I joined on another Zoom. Like on the
Okay.
system. I'm
So
sorry.
how can I see your Power BI? Okay, minimize. Click on this edge and minimize your category now. Minimize your table view here. This is a table view. That's the one we worked on. Minimize what is on your canvas. So that matrix, click empty area now. So click on your matrix. Drag it to sideways and expand it so that we can see it. So expand it. Okay, drag sideways to your right. Just to make it a little bigger. That's okay. So you can click on your product hierarchy now. Products hierarchy, check it. Okay, you can see there. Go to your sales. Right click your sales. Okay. Then your sales now go and check. No. What are you doing? What? Go to your sales. Check. Check sales field. Check it. Oga, you are slow now. Opening my line. So you not check the sales. Abayo, I do this thing now. Check it now. Click on it. It's done.
It's done.
No, your matrix is not okay. Minimize your stop sharing. Let me see what is happening. I don't think you did your hierarchy well. Share screen. Look at my screen. Let me increase the font size a bit so that you can see what I'm doing. Then row headers, I want you to be now. I just want to demonstrate. Let me go to Visual Bar. There is something like a fork button here, either on top or below. When you click on it, can you see what is doing? You are having
It will split.
your
It will split all the subcategories.
yes. So now, this is what the hierarchy the product hierarchy you are doing. This is what it does for you. It allows you to group your information from what you indicate. Look at your products under the when you are, let me go back to your model. When you click on under your hierarchy, when you say you are creating a product hierarchy, your product is to group your information category on top, subcategory below, and products. Am I communicating? Am I communicating to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will delete this matrix. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just demonstrating. I don't need it yet, so I'll take it out. So I will leave us with this for now. Okay. Now,
excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sorry,
Yes.
I don't know why my own is showing count of sales. It's kind of counting it. It's not giving me in a dollar sign like yours.
Share screen. Let me quickly see.
Okay, sir. So it's giving me category counts of self.
Okay, I know what happened. Look at under your visualization. There is values here, right?
Under various, yeah.
Click the drop down arrow there. Click the drop down arrow here. You are the one that did it probably accidentally. Click the drop down arrow here. Look at your. Are you looking at what I'm explaining to you?
Yes, sir. Just that my mouse is frozen, so it's not moving. I don't know why. Oh God. It's not moving. I don't know why.
Unfortunately, I can't select for you.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do?
Let me demonstrate. Look at my own. Okay, stop sharing now. Let me show you my screen.
My mouse is not moving. Oh God.
Stop sharing. Oh, your mouse is not moving.
It's not moving, yes, sir. I don't know what happened.
I think you can override it. Sure.
I'm trying.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Let me share. You cannot start sharing while the participant order
Is sharing.
Sharing.
I'm trying to move it. I don't know what happened. Okay. It moved now. Yeah. Okay. I can stop. Yeah, I've stopped.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen now? What can you see? I don't think I share properly. Let me share. Yes. So can you see what I have here? So
yes,
look
sir.
at this. Okay, I've deleted that one. But look for your under visualization, look at values. You will see sales there. Click the drop down arrow here, similar to your own. It's going to list the default functionality. This is where you selected counts. That is why I show you counts instead of sales. It's because I've already typed the column as count. That's why I say it's there. So this is where I will do how to wrap it up as time goes on. So solve by default. But you remove the front of the item so that I don't want to have. It's telling me that by default, it's telling me when it is value, you always want to aggregate value, you always want to sum it up. That's why I'm telling you some of sales. But I want to use my system to break it down properly. Okay? You can delete that grid. I just want to use to see what hierarchy is all about. Let's move on. Okay. Okay. Having done that, the next grouping I want to do on products. Collapse your sales so that your screen will be neater. Hold down your background color. Click on background color. Click on it. Hold down your control key and click on your font color. Like that. No. Hold down your background, click on background color, hold down and click on your front color. Sorry, go back to model view. Go back to model view if you are not there. So expand your product. Click on background color format. Hold down your control key and click on font color format like that. You see the two of them are selected. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
So,
sir, I didn't get you.
Under your data, come to model view. Look at my screen, click on model view.
Yes.
Then on the right hand side, under your pin, expand your product.
Okay.
You click on background color format, hold down your control key and click on font color format.
Okay.
Okay, under the properties, look at display folder. Click inside this display folder and type formatting. And press enter. Do you take note of what happens on your screen under the product?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
The background color and font color is highlighted.
So
Hierarchy was created.
This one is a folder.
Not an hierarchy.
Look at
Yes,
symbol beside the product and symbol beside the formatting.
Yes, the folder. So both of them were put inside the folder called formatting.
Yes. Now the purpose of this formatting, when you have many records. I remember in one of the organizations I work, a table has about 7,000 fields inside it. So you are telling me that I should be copying the field one by one to manage it? No. Folder is for when I have many fields, I want to group related fields together. Just like in your room, to my ladies, you have your jewelry box, you have your makeup bag, you have your rack for your shoe, you have rack for shoe closer to sandal, you have rack for your scarf, you have rack for your edgewear, you have different location for your hat. Those grouping you are doing is what I'm using formatting to do on my environment so that I will not scatter my information here and there. Okay. Do you understand what formatting folder is in now?
Yes, sir.
So when you look at your formatting, when you click the arrow beside it, it's going to expand and show you background color format. It's not rubbing. Watch out for the symbol of the folder and look at the symbol of the formatting. Look for the any product that has this. This is your hierarchy. Look at the hierarchy. It's like you are having a step attached to your table. That's symbol that you have grouped it together to form an hierarchy. Any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay. In absence of no question, thank God. Let's expand our region. So now under your region, I want to create an hierarchy here, and I will call it regions. I want to group my sales in terms of continents, country, and regions. That is why I want to. Can you see now that when I am configuring my table, I am projecting the way I want to analyze the information on the table. So I want to analyze my sales on regional basis. I'll show you how to analyze it based on category, subcategory, and product. Now I want to analyze it based on standard operation and co like that. So how to run your table now? So I will click under region. The first item in my hierarchy is group. Take note, if you look at this thing keenly, group is continents, but it's an error on the side of the person that captured the data, and because we are using it as a simulated lab, I'm using it like that too. Okay? So as you right-click group, which is the first item in your continent, and click on create hierarchy. So it's going to create a group called hierarchy. So rename the group hierarchy, delete what you have in that name, and type name. Okay. So you created the first hierarchy, then add the 2 levels to it. Come to hierarchy below. Oh, sorry. Under the name, regions. I've not finished that. Regions. So press enter. So I've created a region hierarchy for you. Come below under the hierarchy, after group, which item do you want to group with again? So click the drop down arrow here and click your group. Then click the drop down arrow. No, what is it? So I've added country step to it. The next one is region. So you can then click on apply level changes. So when you do that, come to your regions table, you will see that hierarchy regions has been created. If you click on the arrow down here, you will see people, you will see the group, country, and region ready for your analysis. Take note, sales territory below is not among them. So when you do this, you can collapse and see. Good. Any question? Okay. The next thing we want to look at okay. Now, let's continue. Click on country, field, not the one in hierarchy. Country under field. Can you see where my mouse is? Hello, can you see where my mouse is?
Yes.
So click on this country. Come to property. Under formatting. The 3 of them is not there. General is there before. I just show. I just want you to see that your property is grouped into 3: general, formatting, and advanced. Okay. So now under formatting, under general, under advanced, yeah, this is where I'm going. Under data category, okay, data category, select what you want there. But fortunately, under the data category, because your country is a place, so you now turn into country origin. So bring value of the information inside the country stands for a region. Likewise, the one in a group is also a place. So that is why you categorize the data, that is the information inside, to be a place information that you have inside. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So let's move to our reseller table. So minimize your region. I hope I'm not stressing you guys. It's almost.
Is it only the country that we are changing the data category?
Yeah, let me see.
What about the group? And
no, you don't change for that. It's only one that I will do. It's only country there. Yes. Now let's look at our resellers. I want to create a hierarchy called resellers there, and it's going to contain business type and reseller. That's all. 2 fields. So
can we do that next time, please?
Okay, thank you. Sorry indeed, tonight is my data that really wastes our time. Sorry. Let me pause there tonight. Let me pause there tonight. Any question for me?
I was just wondering.
You have?
I'm just wondering why we changed the data type for country instead of a group.
I said that country represents a place. That's why we're changing it to, that's how we change the data type to country type. Is there any time between now and weekend that we can spare 2 hours in the evening for us to have a meeting? I would love to round up this portion quickly so that we don't create a gap. Or can I ask your coordinator to check for me? Hello, class. Do you understand me?
A class was moved to Saturday evening. Yesterday, the class we were supposed to have yesterday. So tomorrow we have SQL in the evening. I don't know if we can find time in the afternoon. It's up to everyone to speak up. But for our evenings, tomorrow is SQL, Saturday is Tableau. So we have just Sunday and Mondays.
We don't even have Sunday.
Well, okay.
Because we are doing this Microsoft Dynamics.
Okay. Next week, Thursday, can we start our class? I hope, because I also go to Ireland next week Sunday. Next week Thursday. I will communicate if I'm home early. If you can start our class 8 o'clock, I just hope all the weather around me situation will fall in line that time. Okay, till next week then. Gospel alive.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Do we save? How do we, the data we're working on, do we just close the Power BI?
Close that now.
Hello?
I think it's gone.
Voila. How would I take do now?
No, you have to save because you continue from where we. Well, I think when you go to file, you will see option of save.
All right.
So that you see continue from where we stopped.
Yeah, you can save from file.
Okay. I think I just did. Thank you.
Mm.
My bad. Are we still meeting tonight?